Okay, students. Now let's continue from question number 9. Read the instruction carefully of the question. Which of the following functions has a removable discontinuity? If it has a removable discontinuity, redefine the function so that it becomes continuous. Means for the function we have to check whether the function is continuous or discontinuous. If it is discontinuous, we have to check whether it has a removable discontinuity or not. How can we check the removable discontinuity? If the limit of f of x as extends to a does not exist, then we can say that it has not removable discontinuity. If the function's limit exists and its value is not equal, then we can say that this function has a removable discontinuity. Let's check with the example. First example is given: f of x is equal to e raised to 5 sin x minus e raised to 2x upon 5 tan x minus 3x for x is not equal to 0. Means there is no need to find LHL and RHL. Directly we can find the limit of the function. If the value of the function is not equal, then we can say that it has a removable discontinuity. Now check for the limit. Limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to limit of e raised to 5 sin x minus e raised to 2x divided by 5 tan x minus 3x as x tends to 0. Now remember that formula of exponential function: limit of e raised to x minus 1 divided by x as x tends to 0 is equal to 1. Look at this term. We don't have minus 1 here in this function. So that first of all we are going to adjust this minus 1. Means we can rewrite this function as limit of e raised to 5 sin x minus 1 minus it is e raised to 2x minus 1 divided by 5 tan x minus 3x as x tends to 0. Look at this. This is minus 1 and minus into minus plus 1 means we have adjusted just plus 1 and minus 1 in the numerator of the function. Now to convert this brackets into the formulae, we need this upon x. Means e का जो पावर है x वो as it is डिनोमिनेटर में होना जरूरी है. जैसे यहाँ पे sin x है तो हमें इसके डिनोमिनेटर में sin x होना है. यहाँ पे 2x है तो इसके डिनोमिनेटर में x होना है. मींस 2x अपन एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. तो पहले हम इस न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को x से डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू फॉर्मूला इट बिकम्स लिमिट ऑफ e raised to 5 sin x minus 1 divided by x minus e raised to 2x minus 1 divided by x upon this 5 tan x upon x minus this 3x upon x. Means dividing every numerator and denominator by x. For that we have to remember as x tends to 0, x is not equal to 0. और x 0 नहीं है इसलिए हम इसको x से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. अब हमें इनको फॉर्मूला में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो यहाँ पे sin x है तो sin x एडजस्ट करेंगे तो ये क्या बनेगा देखो, इज इक्वल टू लिमिट ऑफ, हम साथ ही में ये लिमिट भी 4 जगह पे डिवाइड कर लेते हैं, सेपरेट कर लेते हैं. लिमिट ऑफ e raised to 5 sin x minus 1 divided by 5 sin x. ये आपकी एडजस्टमेंट हो गई. इनटू ये 5 sin x यहां पे नहीं था इसलिए हम यहां पे लिखते हैं 5 sin x अपॉन x देखो ये जो 5 sin x नहीं था यहां पे लाया और जो अपॉन का x है यहां पे शिफ्ट किया एज x टेंड्स टू 0 माइनस इसके लिए हम डायरेक्ट लिमिट सेपरेट करते हैं लिमिट ऑफ e रेज टू 2x माइनस 1 अपॉन यहां पे है x लेकिन हमें चाहिए 2x इसलिए हम इसको 2x करते हैं इंटू 2 एज x टेंड्स टू 0 डिवाइडेड बाय ये फर्स्ट वाला है जिसको हम लिखेंगे 5 इंटू लिमिट ऑफ tan x अपॉन x एज x टेंड्स टू 0 और माइनस x और x कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो यहां पे आएगा 3. नाउ वी कैन फाइंड इजीली लिमिट्स ऑफ दीज फंक्शंस इज इक्वल टू नाउ इसका जो लिमिट है ये आएगा 1 इंटू ये है 5 इंटू लिमिट ऑफ साइन एक्स अपॉन एक्स ये होता है 1 माइनस लिमिट ऑफ ई रेज टू 2x माइनस 1 अपॉन 2x ये आएगा 1 इंटू 2 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस 5 एज इट इज इंटू लिमिट ऑफ tan x अपॉन x एज x टेंड्स टू 0 इज 1 माइनस 3 तो ये बनेगा 5 माइनस 3 5 माइनस 2 अपॉन 5 माइनस 3 यानी ये आएगा 3 अपॉन 2. तो आपका जो लिमिट है फंक्शन का लिमिट ऑफ f ऑफ x एज x टेंड्स टू 0 ये आया 3/2 लेकिन वैल्यू कितनी दी है फंक्शन की वैल्यू एट x इज इक्वल टू 0 इट इज गिवन 3/4 hence we can say that as f of 0 is equal to 3/4 we can say that limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is not equal to f of 0 therefore f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 0 x is equal to 0 के लिए discontinuous हुआ और हम इस discontinuity को क्वेश्चन है कि whether it is removable or not then we can say that as limit of the function exists it is removable as we can say that limit of f of x as x tends to 0 exists this discontinuity is removable. अगर ये रिमूवेबल है तो हमें इसको रिमूव करना है यानी क्वेश्चन में बताया कि रीडिफाइन द फंक्शन सो एज इट बिकम्स कंटिन्यूअस देयरफॉर वी कैन रीडिफाइन दिस फंक्शन देयरफॉर f of x can be written as we can redefine it as f of x is equal to ये फंक्शन as it is e raised to 5 sin x minus e raised to 2x upon 5 tan x minus 5 tan x minus 3x for x is not equal to 0 and instead of this 3/4 we have to write is equal to 3/2 for x is equal to 0. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ी जगह नहीं थी तो आप इसको यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हैं इसको रीडिफाइन करते समय हम सिर्फ यहाँ पे लिखेंगे कि f of x is equal to this function यानी 3/2 for x is not equal to 0. This is redefining the function like this then that function becomes continuous at x is equal to 0. Now we'll see second question. Okay, look at for second question. F of x is equal to log of 1 plus 5x to the base 1 plus 3x for x is greater than 0 is equal to 32 raised to x minus 1 divided by 8 raised to x minus 1 for x is less than 0 and we have to discuss its continuity at x is equal to 0. Look at the function. function is given for all the values of x greater than 0 as well as less than 0, but f of 0 is not defined here. Now to check its removable discontinuity, first of all we have to find its LHL and RHL. If they are equal, then we can define f of 0. If the left hand side limit and right hand side limit are equal, then we can define the value of the function at x is equal to 0. Then we can say that if this function has removable discontinuity. But if these limits are not equal, if LHL and RHL are not equal, then we can say that the limit of the function as x tends to 0 does not exist, and if it does not exist, such discontinuity is irremovable discontinuity. Now we'll check for the LHL and RHL. Now first, limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus, because for x is greater than 0, function is given this, therefore we are going first to find RHL. Limit of this log of 1 plus 5x to the base 1 plus 3x as x tends to 0 plus, that is equal to limit of, using laws of logarithm, we have it is log of 1 plus 5x divided by log of 1 plus 3x. Using change of base formula, we can write this function like this. Now remember that formula, limit of 1 plus log of 1 plus x divided by x as x tends to 0 is 1. Now using this formula, to convert these terms into that formula, divide its numerator and denominator by x, means here we can write as x tends to 0, x is not equal to 0, and then divide its numerator and denominator by x, together with separate this limit for both numerator and denominator, means it becomes limit of log of 1 plus 5x divided by x as x tends to 0 upon limit of log of 1 plus 3x divided by x as x tends to 0. Now here it is 5x, therefore adjust 5 here into 5. Here it is 3x, therefore adjust 3x into 3. It means using this formula now, we can write it as 1 into 5 divided by 1 into 3, means your limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus, means we can say it as RHL is 5 by 3. Now we will find left hand side limit. Now limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus is equal to limit of, now function f of x for x tends to 0 minus is given limit of 32 raised to x minus 1 divided by 8 raised to x minus 1 as x tends to 0. Now remember the formula, limit of a raised to x minus 1 divided by x as x tends to 0 is log a. Now to use this formula, we again need x here in this denominator, therefore we can say that as x tends to 0, x is not equal to 0. Now divide its numerator and denominator by x, we have limit of 32 raised to x minus 1 upon x as x tends to 0 upon limit of 8 raised to x minus 1 divided by x as x tends to 0. Now applying the limit, we have applying the limit of that formula, we can say that it is nothing but log of 32 upon log of 8. Log of 32 can be written as, we know that 32 is 2 raised to 5 upon log of 2 cube. Hence we can write it as 5 into log 2 upon 3 into log 2. Now this log 2 get cancelled, and therefore limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus, it is 0 minus, x tends to 0 minus is nothing but 5 by 3. Now look at the RHL is 5 by 3. LHL is also 5 by 3. It means we can say that limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus. Therefore, we can say that limit of f of x as x tends to 0 exists. Function is discontinuous because f of 0 is not defined. As f of 0 is not defined, therefore f of x is discontinuous. At x is equal to 0. It is discontinuous, and this discontinuity is removable. This discontinuity is removable. Now when it is removable, we can redefine that function. Now we redefine the function as f of x is equal to this log of 1 plus 5x to the base 1 plus 3x for all the values of x greater than 0 is equal to, now the value of the function LHL and RHL is 5 by 3. Therefore we can say that it is 5 by 3 for x is equal to 0, and it is 32 raised to x minus 1 upon 8 raised to x minus 1 for x is less than 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. Is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now this is the redefinition of the function. Now we'll go for next question.